Hello everyone! So we're here at Pala Casino kasi susunduin ko si Mother Queen! Hi Mother! Naka-vacation siya because her birthday is coming up! Yee! Saya-saya! So today, she has a hair appointment. So, itong birthday treat ko sa kanya. Ayan, bibili muna kami ng kape.
Spinach peta.
Spinach peta.
Hi, how can I help you today?
Hi, can I get a vanilla blonde, a grande iced matcha?
Alright. Anything else?
That's it.
We'll see you up here for
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
We are here at the salon for Mother's hair appointment. Oh, say hi to your fans. Sola Salon here in Temecula is just 2 blocks away from us. Naisip ko bigla, dito ba inspired ang name ni Zola? Hi Mother, ayan, she's super excited for her hair appointment. I just want her to be pampered today. Love you Mother. Here we are at Jen's studio.
How are you? Hi.
She's also getting her hair colored.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. I think as medium brown. No?
Yes, nakapili na si Mother ng kanyang hair color. Today is your special day, Mother, kaya gusto ko bonggat beautiful ka. Did you know na lagi kami napagkakamala ni Mother na mag-ina? Oh, sa mga hindi nakakalam Mother Queen is Richard's mom. Very close kasi kami ni Mother Queen. Ako nga kala ko rin nanay ko siya. Parang kang prinsesa. Oh, she likes it. Wow, ganda mo, Mother. OMG, you look like 10-15 years younger because of your hair. Wow na wow, Mother. Ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Jen, thank you so much for making her super happy. Ganda mo. Ganda.
Can you see? Oh yeah, nice.
Happy? Happy birthday to you. Hey, wow. Isa siyang donya. Aba, teka muna. Yes, ang ganda naman, oh. Napapangiti ako sa vlog na to kasi nakikita ko yung saya mo, Mother. Oy, ang ganda niya. Isa siyang doy, ang ganda niya, oh. OMG. She feels like a millionaire today, kaya ito na nga, syempre. Nag-request ang Mother Queen, magpapahati dito sa Pechanga. Good luck, Mother. Happy birthday, Mother. Your smile brings happiness to my heart. Sana manalo ka ng limpak-limpak na salapi, Mother. Thank you for watching!